Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 1st, 1920. The sanctity of one who lives in the divine will is the continued glory be. One who lives in the divine will, living up high, must bear the pains of those who live down below. My misery makes itself felt more, and in my interior I was saying, "My Jesus, what life is this?" And he, without giving me time to say anything else, immediately answered,
"My daughter, for one who lives in my will, her sanctity has only one point. It is the continued glory be, followed by as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. There is nothing which does not give glory to God, complete in everything, always stable, always the same, always queen without ever changing. This sanctity is not subject to setbacks, to losses, it is to always reign. So, its foundation is the glory be. Its prerogative is the as it was in the beginning, etc."
As I continued to lament about his privations and the subtractions of suffering, while he gives it abundantly to others, my always lovable Jesus came out from within my interior, and leaning his head on my shoulder, all afflicted, told me,
"My daughter, one who lives in my will lives up high, and one who lives up high can look down below with more clarity, and must take part in the decisions, in the afflictions, and in everything that befits people who live up high. Don't you see this in the world? Sometimes father and mother, and sometimes also an elder child, is capable of taking part in the decisions, in the sorrows of the parents. While they are under the nightmare of sorrowful pains, of uncertainties, of intrigues, of losses, the other little children know nothing about it. Rather, they let them play and continue the course of ordinary family life, not wanting to embitter those tender lives, without a useful purpose for them and for the parents. The same happens in the order of grace. One who is little and still growing lives down below, and therefore purges are necessary, and the necessary means in order to make him grow in sanctity. It would be as if one wanted to talk about business, intrigues, pains, to the little ones of the family. They would be stunned without understanding a thing. But one who lives in my will, living up high, must bear the pains of those who live down below, see their dangers, help them, and take such serious decisions as to make one tremble, while they remain tranquil. Therefore, calm yourself, and in my will, we will live life in common. And together with me, you will take part in the pains of the human family. You will watch over the great storms which will arise again, and while they play in the midst of danger, you, together with me, will cry over their misfortune.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.